Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got The Murder of Roger Ackroyd by Moonshine Manny. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. So we're going to go in with our first coat, and I'm sorry the camera's acting janky, but it will clear up here in a moment, I promise. You know, I cut all these in different files, so every time I turn the camera on and off, we've got a chance of it being good or bad. Okay, so this was the bonus polish, I believe, from the Moonshine Manny Murder, She Wrote, Agatha Christie collection. I don't know, but all I do know is this polish is stunning. It is, oh my goodness, gorgeous. I am in love with this blue. It's got so much good, flaky, happy goodness going on in it. Love it. So I'm going to top it with the Moonshine Manny Let's Go Top Coat real quick. And we're going to get it to dry down. And then we're going to do some stamping. Don't you know? Gotta do some stamping. Got a swatch photo of this one all on its own coming up. So pretty. And today I'm going to be using MoYou Nails Stamping Plate 424. This is another stamping plate that my friend Miss Becky sent me. And I'm just going to pick a image or two off of it, and we're just going to roll with it. Wipe it down with a paper towel after cleaning it with some acetone. I'll be using Maniology's So Metal today to stamp with, as well as a Maniology monocle stamper and a scraper. And I decided these little dots were just perfect. It's like dotting, but not with the dotting tool, because I can't get them to look that good with the dotting tool. I love this image. I know it's so basic, but you know, sometimes it's just what we need. Look how pretty that looks on top of there. Oh, I love it. So I'm going to clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and the plate gets cleaned with pure acetone. And I am going to keep rocking on here. So we've got some more polka dots going on. And I tell you, I could have done this same image on all of the nails and just been tickled to death with this manicure. It's just funny how sometimes the simple things are what you need. And I really like this one. Gonna line that up. Plop it on that nail. How pretty. And then I decided to use the music notes on my accent nails, which are going to be my thumb and my ring fingernail. Get that mat out of my way and do a little bit of... I take this tape and go around and get anything that I don't want, which, you know, most of it's going to be hanging off the end of the nail and wouldn't even be a bother, but this silly girl feels like she's got to clean it all up, you know, tapping anything down that's trying to fly away. And then we're going to go back into some more polka dots here. I like the size of them. They're not too big. You know, my nails aren't like really long right now or anything. They're just kind of average, and this image just looks really good on them. The size of the dots are just perfect, in my opinion. And, you know, I always have one, don't I? How cute. So I decided to go ahead and get this on my thumb, too. I'm going to go ahead and show that today. I'm going to just keep on stamping along. And I'm really enjoying my new monocle stamper. I love the monocle stamper. I've been through so many of them. They get so much abuse that eventually I have to replace them, but I never get rid of my old ones. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and clean up some of this off of my skin. It's very minor today. And I'm going to use my new Maniology cleanup brush also. I am really loving it too. Maniology's just got some really good stuff. I'm hooked. And there we go. I'm going to top it with the smudge-free top coat, also from Maniology. And this is not sponsored by them today. This is stuff I bought, but I like to use it and share it and all that good stuff. Once that's dry, I'll be topping it with the Moonshine Manny Let's Go top coat. It's a quick dry and it's glossy, and I love that. So we're going to just carry on, get that all top coated, and coat that tip too. Make it last. So that is the manicure for today. Here we go. Hi, Woody. How you doing? And there's my swatch photo. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself.